Hey guys, I'm gonna do a quick little thing today. So I previously made I did a video on this, and but I'm not gonna. I might just show you a little clip of. Yo. Here's why. So these are magnets, and I had gone through the trouble and taped off the back with blue tape. I took the time with this tiny little cup and poured on each one, but because they're cardboard, the cardboard soaked up a lot of moisture, and the canvas part just peeled off. So you can see it's just not great. So I mean, even on ones that I haven't peeled off the canvas yet, you can see where it's pulling away. So I'm kind of bummed about that. I signed up for a booth at a local fair. It's kind of a local sidewalk thing. And I kind of wanted to just make some, small things to have some variation. So I didn't have just all 10 by 10s and 12 by 12s and stuff like that. So I had these 3 by 3 canvases that, had seen some better days, that were used for, scrap stuff. So I'm going to kind of do what I did on the magnets, which was use my Arteza paints and just kind of make some little canvases instead. So I have a 9 by 12 underneath. I have it here on a spinner. I figured whatever drips off, I'll catch and maybe get something else out of it too. So here we go. paint doesn't tend to change. I'll just show you real quick. This is the big one. It's, you know, this is abstract in its finest form, right? But I like how the little ones came out, so I'll show you. The first one. And the second one. And then over here, it's a little dark, but going for some of the fluorescent colors there. So yeah, I'm bummed that my magnets didn't work, but I don't know. For the 4 little ones I got, I think this will be cool. And then this this random big one. But I mean, the swirls are really cool, you know. Can't get that any other way other than dripping off of something. So awesome. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye. When I finished these yesterday, I said, oh, they're not going to dry that different. But they really kind of did. So, these aren't in the same order, obviously. But here's one of them. This had that fluorescent in it. And it's still fluorescent, which is pretty cool. So there's one. This one I think is really awesome. This is a bit darker in person. I have a pretty bright light on right now. Let me see if I can. Maybe that's a bit more accurate with less glare. So I really like this one. I think this one came out probably the best. I don't know. The first 3 are my favorite. This is the one that I had done with the black and all the fluorescent colors, and the gold took over. So it's really just like a lot of black and gold with this tiny little bit of blue in the corner, which is, I think, probably my fingerprint from one of the previous ones I had did. So deciding not to focus on that, but that's okay. I don't know. I mean, it's still cute. I like it. And these are just 3x3s, so, you know, they're not huge masterpieces. But this last one, which I think was the first one I did, so you're seeing a lot more color here in camera, but this one in person, this is almost like straight black, and with a little bit of color here, a little bit of color there. Maybe it'll pop a little bit when I put a clear coat on it, but you know, the corner isn't great. So I don't know, I may not even just do anything with this one, or I might just paint over it at some point, but I don't think this one's going to come with me to the art show. So but yeah, I just wanted to show those, and the big overall one really stayed the same, but I really wanted to show the 3 mini ones. So yeah, little addendum there to the video. So there. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye again.